In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off animations in Windows 10. So firstly, click on Start, then type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Now select View by as large icons. Now in this list, you need to find out Ease of Access. So click on Ease of Access Center.
Always scan this section.
Now click on Use the computer without a display. Now here you will see option Turn off all unnecessary animations when possible. So to turn off, just check this box. To turn off all unnecessary animations, check this box, then click on Apply, then OK.
Always scan this section.
And similarly, you can make and turn off animations from here. So click on Make the computer easier to see. Scroll down and here you will see option Turn off all unnecessary animations when possible. So check this box, then Apply, and then OK.
Always scan this section.
Now close it and restart your PC. Hopefully guys, using these simple steps, you can turn off animations in Windows 10. Thanks for watching this video.